starts from the sales worksheet. Cut the data from cell D1 to D3 and paste it into cell A1 to A3. Now select column A and use autofit function and the column automatically changes the correct width for the text. In cell A3, type week of May 25, 2029 to show the date of the week. Now changing column B width to 15. Enters the number into cell D15, D16 and D17 given in the document. Now in cell E6 type the email address, then select E6 to E17 and use flash fill method to automatically fill email addresses in the rest of the cell. Change the width of column E to 35 so that full email address are visible. In cell B18, type the word total to perform calculation. In cell C18, create a sum formula to add all sales amount from C6 to C17. Then copy this formula from C18 to D18 to total the expenses. Now in cell A22, type average expenses. Now count the number of sales agents from A6 to A17. In cell B20, create a formula using count A method. Using count A method, we can calculate the number of agents from A6 to A17. Now add an outside border around the range B20 to B22. Now open expenses worksheet. Change the page orientation to landscape mode. From page layout menu, change the page orientation to landscape mode. Now change the zoom level to 130% to make the sheet easier to read. Edit the text in cell A2 expenses week of May 25, 2029. Edit the text in cell A2. Now select the column headings from D5 to F5 and the cell A10 and change the font size to 12 to make the titles easily read. Change the font size in 12.